Like the light at the end of the proverbial tunnel, young Tejaran Chandapal, the son of Shiv, in just his third test match, made it a century, converted to a test double hundred, ending up with 207 not out, albeit against Zimbabwe, which is not the strongest team in the world. But here where the West Indies cricket reach right now, we're not overpowering the world like days gone by. So us as fans have to console ourselves with little pockets of positivity whenever they pop up. And this double century by Shanda Paul is another such pocket of positivity. And with that duplicate technique and duplicate temperament to that of his father, we suspect there is much more runs left in the batting tank of Shanda Paul. Even if the West Indies can win a test match or win a test series, he will continue to be that light at the end of the tunnel. Personally, me think he might have more shots than Shiv. Yes, yes. Everything else cut to fit. Same unorthodox stance, same powers of concentration, same mannerisms, but him have more shots and play with a little bit more aggression than Shiv. Yes, yes, yes. Take or give. Yeah.